Hello and welcome to another video. This video will be a comparison between the Bbfirefly v2 and the Squidtrainer 3.5. Who is the best at being a beater? Obviously you can see which of the two is my beater. But if I bought these two at the same time, who would be the beater? Would it be the absolute tank Bbfirefly v2, or would it be the sleek Squidtrainer v3.5? So, worth to note, these two are exactly the same price when I bought it. This was 170 or something, 180. This was 170, 180. This doesn't currently exist, and this is currently 169, I do believe. I'll check and put the real number here, but I think that this is actually cheaper. This is more expensive, but doesn't really exist anymore since the V4 has taken its place. The V4 is probably around 180 to 185, has jimping, which is new, and has bushings, which also is new on the Squidtrainer. But this has bushings and it has jimping. Not very effective jimping because they're so shallow I mean. Yeah. But have had bushings from the beginning. Probably want a more zoomed out experience for the flips. I say as I drop it. Well, if I bought these at the exact same time, who would I have bought? What the fuck did I just say? If I bought this at the exact same time, which one would I choose to be my beater? I'd probably go with this one, since it has bushings, it had jimping, and it's thicker. They're the same weight at 4.6 ounces, or this maybe be, yeah, this is 4.6 ounces. And I mean 4.6 ounces and not 6 ounces. That would be too heavy. So yeah, and why would I pick this? It's because it's thicker. It has a handle bias, which I think that beginners should start with. And you have to excuse my spooky lamp, which shudders every once in a while. But if this were a V4, it would be a different story, wouldn't it? Because then it would have bushings, it would have jimping, and if I bought them at the exact same time, this would have been, before then, would have been like 180, and then this would have been 180. Not really, because this has had a drastic decrease in price, and this have had an increase in price ever since. So even if this was a V4, I'd still pick this one because it's more worth. And besides, Bbfirefly always comes out with a great sale. I mean, these were on 30% off recently, so it would be $169 and on a 30% decrease, so that number would be there. So yeah, I think that this is the way to go. It will hold its tolerances longer. It will be better for beginners. One thing to note though, these handles are really thick, so if you don't like thick handles, probably steer clear of Bbfirefly, because most of their Balisongs have thicker handles. The only one that doesn't have, I think, is the Barracuda, and they're currently working on a titanium Balisong called the Superfly, I believe, and I don't know if that's gonna have slim handles or really fat handles like this, but we will see. Hope it has slim handles, because then I actually would be interested. But if I were to choose a beater as of today, I would choose the Firefly V2, simply because of price, biases, features, and just uniqueness. I mean, look at this. This is way more unique than this one. Way more. So yeah, if you disagree, sound off in the comments, and I'd love to hear your opinions. See you in the next one. Bye.